Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make whole wheat, coconut, and almond biscuits. Let's get started. I use self-rising flour, whole wheat flour, coconut flour, a little salt. Sift them together, then set aside. Prepare some softened unsalted butter. Add some sugar. Cream the butter and sugar with a hand mixer. When the color becomes pale, add half of the sifted flour and 1 whole egg. Add the remaining sifted flour. Almond flakes and vanilla extract. Mix them well. The biscuit dough is finished. Keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. This is how I shape the biscuit. Bake the biscuits for 12 to 15 minutes. When the color of the surface becomes dark, the biscuits are ready. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of making 16 biscuits, so each one cost me less than 30 cents. I'm going to enjoy my biscuits with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.